Hi, welcome to week 7. And I did a really in-depth job in the webinar discussing how the week 7 paper should go together with some great questions and feedback from the learners. So I've included that link to the webinar. But again, it's a 7 to 10 paper on ethical behavior, diversity, civil discourse, and the template that's provided really outlines exactly how to do that. So the week 7 gives some great examples, some follow-ups, some really good synthesis of scholarship and that would be interesting to look at, wouldn't it? Synthesis of scholarship, teaching tolerance. Some people have a problem with that. Why are we teaching tolerance? Why not acceptance? Having said that, it's a great website that keeps adding resources. So the assignment instructions are here, and again, I go over this quite a bit in the webinar, and this I suggested is a great outline for the paper. The discussion for this week is not there, so you have the whole week to work in that paper. Having said that, sometimes not having discussion removes that constant contact, so you can use the Ask the Instructor thread for questions about the paper. Be a great place to do so. But other than that, this is just a great week to dig in and work on the paper. Look forward to reading that and helping you as you finish the course.